Welcome to our Simple Machines PBL. Your project will begin with one question that will drive your learning, and there will be other questions that will guide you along the way. Ready for the driving question? The one that shows you your destination? How can our triad, with a $20 budget, design and build a machine made up of at least two simple machines that can complete a task, create a commercial for our product, and present both the product and commercial as part of a Simple Machines fundraising show in the gym? Whoa-zy dozy, that was a pretty big question. Let's break it down into some smaller questions that will act as your guides. The first question to think about concerns the actual simple machines that you'll be working with in class. Levers, screws, yep, a bottle lid is a screw, inclined planes, pulleys, wheels and axles, you got it, a doorknob is a wheel and axle, and wedges. No, not wedgies, wedges. How can your triad experiment with all of them so that you can decide what you would like your invented machine to be able to do, and which of the simple machines would be the best choice to make that happen? Remember, you need to choose at least two simple machines. How will you record what you accomplish, learn, the problems you run into, and the decisions you make in your daily blog posts? Will you take notes and pictures while experimenting and use them to write your posts when finished each day? Or will you keep your blog open and stop to write what happens several times within the class? Every inventor starts with a plan. How will you record your drafts and final plan for your invented machine? So you'll obviously need some materials to create each simple machine as well as your invented one. Thomas Edison said the best place to look for invention materials is a pile of junk. Splendid idea, Thomas, though you can always spend your $20 too. But where and when? Speaking of your $20, how will you ensure you don't overspend? How can you get everything you need, taxes included, without going over $20? Yeah, and take a second to read this one. It's pretty cute. Once your machine is complete, how will you create an engaging commercial to make sure your machine's on everyone's Christmas list this year? Explore apps and software and let me know if you need something new downloaded. Of course, if it's not a free app, you do know it's coming out of your $20. There are many ways to collaborate to write a script for your commercial. Discuss some options within your triad. Maybe you can do an internet search as well and check out some other suggestions. So when the big day arrives, how will you be wowing your audience? Students, teachers, family, and community members. How are you going to entertain them, keep them engaged with your commercial and machine? They say conflict can make a team stronger. I don't know who they are, but I'm pretty sure someone said that. So if it happens, what's your plan for resolving it and keeping the project moving forward? Looking at the larger picture, how will our whole class, advertise the show? How will we make sure the word gets out? And how are we going to use the show to raise money? After all, it is a fundraising show. We've been discussing human rights and instances in which they are not being protected as they should be. Which one, or ones, do we want to help protect with the funds we raise? There are many human rights that more than one organization works to protect. Which of these charitable organizations do we want to send our money to? So that's a lot of questions, but they're all here to help get you to the gym on time. Check back on them often.